Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Samsung Galaxy S25 without the password. Okay, so let's get started, but first, please don't try to unlock not your phone, because that's a crime. Only yours. So, first option is going to the Google, and here you need to log into your Samsung account. So give me a minute, I'll log in. Okay, it's done, and basically, as you can see, this Samsung is not locked because we are currently using them, but I'm giving you an example. Here you will have the option to unlock, and then please follow the prompts to unlock your phone. Okay, and second option is by the recovery mode. To do this, you will need a PC and the cable, USB cable. Connect this to your phone. And the other part to the computer. Because you can't enter the recovery mode, that's how Samsung invented it. I don't know why, but it is how it is. So basically now we want to turn off our phone. Simply hold the power button and the volume down button until this menu shows up. Now click on power off. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, and now let's hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Okay, so the Samsung logo appeared. We can release our finger from the power button, but we can keep holding on the volume up. And now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the the volume up and the volume down buttons. And if we want to accept, we simply click on the power button. But here, watch out. Doing this with the recovery mode, unlocking your phone, will cause this that all your data will be lost. So please create a backup before. On our channel we have a video how to do it. And now we want to click on wipe data / factory reset. Click on the power up button. As you can see, this cannot be undone, so please create a backup before. And now click on the power button. Okay, the process has finished, and now we can click on reboot system now. So the phone will be turned on back again in a while, and basically you will need to set up your phone as a brand new. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.